Nou ja, toe. Dit voel nou kompleet of die drie van ons in die hoofse kantoor sit, want Thys het ons nader geroep om 'n paar belangrike finansiële sake met ons te bespreek. Thys?
Kollegas, vanoggend is die oggend. Okay. So ek het vir ons 'n lekker video saamgestel vir ons en die kykers wat 'n paar elemente gaan verduidelik op sleutelwoorde van beleggings. Okay. Maar julle moet nou baie mooi konsentreer en dan daarna gaan ek 'n paar vrae vra. So kyk 'n bietjie hierdie video.
Kan ons geld wen?
Stock. Represent ownership in a company. Each unit of a stock is called a share. If you own 50% of YouTube's stock, you own half of YouTube. Shareholder. Someone who owns a stock. Stock exchange. Place where investors can buy or sell stocks. Public company. Company whose ownership is organized via shares of stock that are intended to be freely traded on a stock exchange. Bull market. Bear market. A bull market means that prices are rising. A bear market means that prices are falling. They are named after each animal's attack style. Volatility. How fast the stock price moves up and down. Volume. Number of shares of a company traded each day. Capital. Broad term that can describe anything that gives value to its owners. It usually refers to money, but it can also describe machinery, patents, etc. Liquidity. How easily you can get into and out of a stock. It increases with volume. Bubble. Bubbles occur when prices for a particular item rise far above the item's real value due to too much optimism. Sooner or later, the high prices become unsustainable, and they fall dramatically until the item is valued at or even below its true worth. IPO. Initial price offering happens when a private company becomes publicly traded in order to raise money. Dividends. Portion of a company's earnings that is paid to people who own the stock. Not every company pays dividends. Blue chip stocks. Stock that comes from a well-known established company. They have a strong history of performance and often pay dividends. Forex. Foreign exchange. Involves trading different currencies. Portfolio. Collection of investments owned by an investor. Holdings. Contents of a portfolio. Interests. When you get or give a loan, the one who is lending the cash usually wants more cash than what he initially lent. The extra cash that has to be given is called interest. Bond. When an investor gives a loan to a company or a government, the investor earns through interest. Security. Tradable financial instruments such as stocks and bonds. Broker. Since you can't directly go to the stock exchanges to buy stocks, someone will do it for you, usually for a fee. This is called a broker. Nowadays, they are mostly online platforms. Going long. Betting that a company's stock's price will increase so that you can buy low and sell high. Asset. Resource with economic value that someone owns or controls with the expectation that it will provide a future benefit. Commodity. Basic goods interchangeable between producers, such as grains, gold, beef, oil, and natural gas. It usually refers to raw materials. Yield. It's what you earned from an investment. P ratio. The price-to-earnings ratio is one of the most widely used tools that investors and analysts use to determine a stock's valuation. It's one indicator of whether a stock is overvalued or undervalued. However, the PE ratio can mislead investors because past earnings do not guarantee future earnings will be the same. Likewise, projected earnings may not actually happen. Index. It's a method to track the performance of a group of assets. Indexes typically measure the performance of a basket of stocks intended to replicate a certain area of the market. The most famous index is the S&P 500, which tracks the 500 largest US companies. Futures.
Ja,
Dis interessant, hè?
hoekom het jy video so vinnig gepraat? Ons kon nie notas maak
En dan,
nie.
ons is nou deur al daai, nê? En om te dink daar is nog 3 van daai episodes wat ons gaan doen met alles name in beleggings. En ek dink ja, dis wat dit so lekker belangrik maak, jy weet of vir kykers daai net 'n bietjie ook te kan wys. Maar hier is die kompetisie nou. Okay, ons gaan nou 3 minute intens kompetisie hou. Ons gaan begin by Pieter, Elsa, Ras. Okay? So ek gaan vir julle sê byvoorbeeld stok. Okay, en dan moet jy dadelik sê wat is die Afrikaanse benaming van stok. So dan gaan jy sê aandeel of die eerste ding wat opkom. Okay. En ons sal telling hou. So let's go. Okay, jy moet so gou as moontlik antwoord. Okay.
Hoekom wil jy nou jou hele loopbaan?
Pieter,
Ja.
shareholder.
Piep, aandeelhouer.
Stock exchange.
Piep, aandelebeurs.
Wat sê? Public company.
Piep,
Publieke maatskappy.
openbare maatskappy.
Willem Beer.
Sjoe, bly
Bill
nie
en
by
Beer.
dieselfde nie.
Wat sê? Well done. Volatility.
Piep, wisselvalligheid.
Wat sê? Volume. Oh, dan kyk jy aan. Yes, ek het
Give
begin.
point to me. I don't have any.
Liquidity.
Piep,
Hier is onregverdig.
Die tyd.
Bubble.
Piep.
Borrel.
Oei! Yes. IPO. Dis 'n moeilikhede.
Waar verstaan is nou weer?
Nee, moenie dit sê nie, dan gaan sy dit net vertaal.
Ja.
Indien Pieter oggend opstaan.
Punt vir jou. Is 'n aanvanklike openbare aanbod. Okay. Dividends.
Dividende.
Mooi. Blue chip.
Blue chips, blou chip.
Blou skyfie.
Julle almal is reg. Okay. Forex.
Forex.
Valutahandel. Portfolio.
Piep portefeulje. Kan ons nou maar net uitspreek? Kan ons maar
Nee,
uitskryf?
ons gaan piep. Jy doen piep,
piep.
okay?
Bonds.
Piep. Verband.
Ja.
Is dit verkeerd? O,
Sê effek.
Effek.
O, die
Ek is by
effekte
huis
beers.
Daar
Okay,
sê-
okay.
A going long.
Gaan lank.
Het op. 100%.
Is dit reg
Ja.
Of is dit
Ja.
langtermyn?
Pieter en
Nee.
Ross is vergelyk, hoor ons. So ons gaan vir tweede plek
Afspannende.
lyk. Commodity.
Piep. Kommoditeite.
Yield.
Jy kry nog tyd vir 'n piep ook. My brein kan nie eers vinnig genoeg dink nie.
Yield.
Yield.
Yield. Stop. Hou verby.
Dis opbrengs.
Toegee teken.
Yield opbrengs. Opbrengs.
Opbrengs, kom aan julle.
Geleentheid is nie so erg nie.
PE ratio. Price over earnings ratio.
Prys teenoor uitbetalings.
My.
Ons sê laaste ene index.
Is index.
Ons sê. Ons sê.
En die
verling in die wenner was is Pieter in die derde plek.
Dankie.
Ross, dit was naby. Jy ek dink as jy nie tweede afwesig was, het jy gewen.
Dankie.
Al dan Els natuurlik ons taalkundige.
So hoeveel kry sy nou? Gaan jy vir haar 'n paar aandele in jou besighede gee?
Ek sal vir
R250.
R100 se spaarplan begin.
Wel,
Met 'n waarborg dat hom soms sal verdubbel binne 'n jaar.
Dis 'n paar
Dis
sy.
enigiets is
dit is 'n goeie plek om te begin.
Ja.
Dis 'n groot plek
Maar
om te
baie
begin.
dankie dat jy ook 'n hele finansiële loopbaan vir ons in 3 minute gedeel het.
En daar kom nog 3 episodes, né?
3.
Bly jy net waar jy is, net hierna gesels ons verder. Arnold het ook 'n lekker gesels gemaak met Zola Bad. So, moenie weggaan vir hierdie enetjie nie. Bly ingeskakel. Hoopelik gaan ons hom in Afrikaans en in Engels kan verstaan.